Hello friends, here I come up with the topic dental products. After watching this video, you will able to define and classify dental products, explain the categories of dental products and role of fluoride as an anti-caries agent. Now what are dental products? The products which are used in cleaning, polishing, treating dental caries, desensitizing or for any dental infections are called as dental products. They are also known as dentifrices. Classification of dental products. Now there are four classes of dental products. First, that is anti-caries agents, cleansing agents, polishing agent, desensitizing agents. Now let's see one by one. First class, that is anti-caries agents. The agent which prevent the formation of dental caries are called as anti-caries agents. In order to prevent dental caries and to maintain clean and healthy teeth, use of fluoride and their salts is well accepted in this class. The examples are sodium fluoride, stannous fluoride. The second class is cleaning agents. It helps to remove stain from teeth and give abrasiveness. Examples are calcium phosphate dibasic, sodium metaphosphate. Third is polishing agents. It gives whiteness to the teeth. Examples calcium carbonate, calcium pyrophosphate. And lastly, that is desensitizing agents. It reduces the sensitivity of teeth to the heat and cold. Examples are zinc chloride and strontium chloride. Now let's see one by one. The first class, that is anti-caries agent. Dental caries or tooth decay has been defined as a disease of teeth caused by acids formed by the action of microorganisms on carbohydrates, and it is characterized by decalcification of tooth and foul mouth odor. Acid produced by bacterial metabolism of fermenting carbohydrates acts on teeth. It produces lesions where bacteria get localized and dental caries is produced. The agent which act against the caries or tooth decays are known as anti-caries agent. To prevent dental caries, fluorides and their salt is well accepted. Examples of this class are sodium fluoride and stannous fluoride. Now we will see the role of fluoride. The deposited fluoride on the surface of teeth prevent the action of acids or enzyme in producing lesions. The mechanism of fluoride inhibit caries formation is still to be completely elucidated, but there are two hypotheses. First, that it decreases acid solubility of enamel, and second, that is bacterial inhibition. A small quantity, that is 1 ppm of fluoride, is thus necessary to prevent caries. However, when more quantities of fluoride, that is more than 2 to 3 ppm, is ingested, it is carried to the bones and teeth and produces motile enamel, and such condition is called as dental fluorosis. Fluoride is administered by two routes. First, that is oral route and topical route. Administration of traces of fluoride containing salts or their uses in topical use to the teeth has found to give encouraging results. When a fluoride containing salts or solution is taken internally, it gets readily absorbed, transported and deposited in the bones or developing teeth, and remainder is excreted by the kidney. Now dental fluorosis, as we have seen, that when the quantity of fluoride it is used more than 1 ppm, that is more than 2 to 3 ppm, it get deposited in the bones and teeth and it produces colored teeth, mainly white colored patches or white spots on the teeth, it is motile element and known as dental fluorosis. The use of fluoridation of public water supply is the most common and effective way of oral administration. Water supply containing 0.5 to 1 ppm is provided, which is sufficient, and alternatively it can be given in drinking water or fruit juice in such concentration to have about 1 ppm per day. Sodium fluoride tablet or solution of sodium fluoride in a dose of 2.2 mg per day is employed, and in case of topical application 2% of solution used on the teeth. Beside fluoride, inorganic phosphate salts has been also considered to be used in reducing dental caries. Now we will see one of the agent, that is stannous fluoride. A molecular formula is SnF2. These are present in a toothpaste. It is an aid in preventing tooth decay and strengthen weakened tooth enamel. It have various advantages than that of sodium fluoride, that these are effective against cavities, tartar buildup, gingivitis, erosion and sensitivity, and it also have antimicrobial activity. The stannous fluoride is the only drug which having antimicrobial action belonging to anticaries class. It kills plaque bacteria that built up in the mouth and causes cavities. The antimicrobial property also prevent plaque from adhering to the oral surfaces. They also make it hard for bacteria to breed in mouth, which could lead to gingivitis. Stannous fluoride deposits a protective barrier over teeth that helps fight sensitivity from hot or cold liquid and food. Now we will see the next class, that is cleaning and polishing agents. These are the substances which remove stains and gives whiteness to the teeth by abrasive action. This includes this agent, they clean the teeth and adjacent gum by using fingers and toothbrush, which gives the abrasive action, and this can be employed by using powder or paste. The examples of these agents are calcium carbonate, dibasic calcium phosphate and sodium metaphosphate. Then last one is desensitizing agents. These are used in treatment of sensitive tooth. When the tooth becomes sensitive to hot and cold, some desensitizing agents are incorporated in dental preparations. Examples are zinc chloride, strontium chloride. Desensitizing agents are the compound used in the treatment of sensitive tooth. During teeth decay or in the toothache, the perception to the hot and cold is felt strongly. These agents are employed. The numbing effect is of short duration, like that of local anesthetic effects. As we have seen the example, that is zinc chloride and strontium chlorides are used as a desensitizing agents. So that's all. So in this video we have seen the definitions of dental products, classification of dental products, different categories of dental products, role of fluoride and the use of stannous fluoride as an anti-caries agent. Thank you very much. Happy learning.